Welcome to this channel, traders. In this channel I share strategies for different currency pairs. Today I want to show you a very good strategy for USDJPY. For me, if I may show you, when it comes to JPY, I am very confident. Okay, right there you have USDJPY, whether it be CAD JPY or AUD. Okay, maybe let me show you for today. Okay, you see that today on JPY I nailed it. Let's check on the running trades. Okay, I only have CAD JPY. Okay, so but you can see that I am really doing it. You see this account is real. Okay, I'm not really promising you 100% results, but this strategy is definitely going to pay you. Okay, so let us get straight to the strategy. Maybe let me just start from the beginning. Okay, I am on trading view. If you are on mobile, I will tell you what you need to do. Okay, so on trading view, just go to the indicators, okay, and type in sessions. Someone said he couldn't find the sessions indicator. This one, sessions by Lux Algo. I don't know how, but this is a free indicator on trading view. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear. Let's go to the settings. You can use any sessions indicator. All I want you to see are the sessions. Okay, so just uncheck the last 4 boxes below and then scroll up. When you get to Sydney, change that yellow color to a black one. Okay, and then you press OK. This is what you are going to see. The next step for USDJPY, we will not need all the sessions. We will need the New York, the London. We won't need it. Just uncheck it. We will need Tokyo. Let's also uncheck Sydney. Okay, and then we press OK. So these are the only sessions that we're going to need. For the strategy, it's very easy, traders. Okay, you are going to be targeting the move that is starting from the Tokyo session into the London session, because USDJPY will move aggressively in this period. From the beginning of Tokyo up into the London, this pair will be making this aggressive move. So for your analysis, this is very easy, traders. It's very easy, like most of my strategies. You are going to do your analysis within this region. Okay, within this region, this is where you do the analysis. That is between the New York session and the Tokyo session. Okay, and if you are on mobile, you should know the closing of the New York session and the opening of the Tokyo session, so that you can identify this region where you are supposed to do your analysis. The analysis is very easy. You are only going to be highlighting the lowest point within that region, and then you highlight the highest point within that region. Maybe to give you extra information for those who are on mobile, it is wise that you have this Forex clock. Okay, this one. Once you have downloaded this clock, this is an Android application. So once you have downloaded this clock, when you come to the details right here, it shows you when each and every session closes and opens. Okay, another thing, you will have to come down there to the settings, and then you set your current time. For me, it's GMT +2, so I select GMT +2, and then I come back to the market sessions. Okay, so this is what you are going to be doing, traders. Once you have highlighted the lowest point and the highest point within this region, if price closes above, you take a buy. If it closes below, you take a sell. Okay, now let me just do some more analysis so that you have a better understanding, I'll just scroll back to a random place. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, we can start from here. Remember, you are targeting the Tokyo session, and then I said that you do your analysis within this area. So you mark the highest point, okay, and then the lowest point before the Tokyo session. The lowest point must be this one, okay. You see that candle right there. That's the lowest point, so you can highlight that candle as your key level. So when price closed below it there, you would have taken a sell trade. Okay, let's move back. Let's see what we have right here. Okay, this was a bit tricky. You mark the highest point within this region. The highest point would be that, and then the lowest point would be this one. Okay, this was a short trade. Okay, so when price closed above there, you would have taken a buy trade. Let's check another place. Okay, mark the highest place, and then you mark the lowest place. It was there. Okay, that was the lowest place in this region. Remember, you do your analysis in the region that is between Tokyo and the New York session. So you would have entered your sell trade when price closed below there. Okay, let's take a few more. Let's take some more. You will have to forgive me, my internet is a bit slow today. Okay, is this the Tokyo session? Yes. Okay, so let's look at the analysis. I hope you can see that I'm on the 5 minutes time frame. So within that region of focus, what do? You mark the lowest point, and then you mark the highest point. So you could have taken a buy trade there. Okay, could have taken a buy trade there. This could have been a great trade. Let's see what we have right here. Okay, here is the region of focus. What do? You mark the highest point, and then you mark the lowest point. It is that week. Okay, you see this week, it's your lowest point within the region that is between the New York session and the Tokyo session. So you wait. When price closed below here within the Tokyo session, you would have taken a sell trade. Okay, let's check a few more. Okay, here is another Tokyo session. Let's see what we have. Here is the region of focus. You could have marked the lowest point, okay, after the New York session, and then you could have marked the highest point. So you could have taken a buy trade where there. You see that. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. This should be the easiest traders. Let's see what you have right here. Okay, this is the area of focus. You mark the lowest point. Okay, looks like you could have missed this trade. And then the highest point. Okay, the highest point was that one. Okay, so you could have missed this trade because price started by closing above there. Okay, I know there are other things that you can focus on, but I'm trying to keep this thing as simple as possible because there are a lot of struggling traders. Forex has been made too complicated. So here is the region of focus. What do? You mark the highest point, and then you mark also which one was the lowest point. It was this one. Okay, so you could have taken your sell trade there. Okay, you could have taken your sell trade there. If you were going to hold till the London session, this was going to be a good trade. Okay, let's take maybe the last one. Let's take the last one. Okay, my internet is a bit slow. So what you do, you mark the highest point. I think it's that one. And then you also mark the lowest point. Okay, so you could have taken a sell trade when price closed below there. Okay, you could have caught this small move. So what I can say is, don't hold too much. Don't hold too much. Target those few pips. Okay, how long was this? 50 something pips. It's a whole lot. Okay, traders, I wish you the best as you practice this, and I hope and pray that it works for you. Thank you for watching.